Alright, we're currently removing the passenger side rear drum. So he just loosened, right before I started the video, he just loosened all those parts so the springs can come off. And he's trying to figure out what we're doing here, so. What was that thing called? This little spider thing? Can't remember what it's called.
Oh yeah, then this.
Spanner, that's what it is. Just for future reference, that little spider-looking gasket is called a spanner bolt, right?
Something different, a little almost something. Not quite. Hold on. And there's a little, see this? That little clamp?
Yeah, it's a little C-clamp there.
I'll lose it. And then that will stop the take off.
Yeah,
that's one set.
That's
good, because you know what? We'll use that for reminding us.
Yeah, that's one shield. And there's the other one. Just a couple more things we need to get loosened here.
What you got to do here is turn this. There's a little pin. Just turn it and it'll release the spring.
A little pin. Just what he said.